This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jack Lyerly. Big, beautiful, and smart. Over 3,600 square feet of living area in this beautifully appointed and maintained 5-bedroom 4-bath home on a private conservation lot. Outstanding floor plan with downstairs master suite and study, pool bath, formal living and dining rooms, open kitchen family room concept. Upstairs are huge bedroom, 2 full baths and a 28 by 22 bonus room. Loaded with upgrades such as gorgeous wood flooring, 30-inch top-of-line floor tile, newer designer kitchen, roof in 2018, new paint, recently updated master bath. If you love to cook and entertain, you will adore this kitchen. Sleek design, granite countertops and huge island, elegant custom cabinetry, glass tile backsplash, designer stainless hood and other high-end appliances. Smart home features, pool, thermo, garage, door, irrigartion and more. Outside, the oversized lanai with pool and waterfall overlook a serene conservation area. Great neighborhood with 2 parks, sidewalks and trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Lyerly at 321-543-6215.